Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for some super soft pajamas for your little one, you're gonna want to check out these nightgowns from Yoga Sprout. I love the designs. They are so adorable. The quality of this fabric is so nice. They're extremely soft, a nice thick material that you can tell is very durable. They're easy to clean. You just can wash them and dry them in your machines. And I love that they have no tag. That's probably my favorite thing about them because they don't bother his little neck. And I love that they have the little built-in mitts as well so he doesn't accidentally scratch his face. He is 3 months old, about 15 pounds, and these are nice and loose on him. He's still gonna grow into them. They're gonna last a long time. So if you're looking for some really cute PJs for your baby that are not only so soft, but also make night diaper changes super easy, definitely check out these nightgowns from Yoga Sprout. Your baby is going to love them, and that's my point of view.